Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to download Zipmex application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Now, tap open your App Store. In the search box, type in Zipmex and tap the search button at the lower right. In the search result, you'll be able to see this application. Simply tap on the app in order to go through the further information about it. If you want to download the application quickly, simply tap on the Get button. Zipmex is a cryptocurrency exchange platform. It is a relatively new cryptocurrency exchange that primarily serves users in the Asia-Pacific region. It provides a platform for buying, selling, and trading a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Soon after the application is done with the download and install process, you'll be able to see the open button. Tap on it to launch open the app for the first time on your iPhone. That is how you can easily download Zipmex application for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.